Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you won't miss any of my uploads. Let me know in the comments below if you subscribed and I might just reply to you. Now let's begin. Number 5. Finding the missing matter. Nothing is scarier than not knowing what to expect or finding something missing. The universe is believed to be made up of 5% ordinary matter, and the rest is composed of dark matter or dark energy. It has been observed that there are missing matters in space which science cannot explain. Once thought to be one of the black holes from the Big Bang Theory, recent observation hopes to unveil the secret behind this missing matter using fast radio burst, or FRB. Remnants of recent supernovas and other activities in space are captured on the FRBs using radio signals. The Parkes Radio Telescope in Australia detected a particular FRB, which may be our key to unlocking this mystery of the missing matter. The FRB helped in narrowing down the possible location of the missing matter using a radio interferometer and the Subaru telescope. The team located the FRB as coming from an elliptical galaxy 6 billion light-years away. From the location of the FRB between Earth, scientists can compare the density of the material with the current date we have about the distribution of matter. It is possible that the missing matter might not be missing at all. Number 4. Frequent cosmic rays hitting Earth. Cosmic rays, first discovered in 1912 by Victor Hess, are defined as highly energy-charged particles coming from outer space and traveling at great speed and reaching the Earth in all directions. It is believed that most galactic cosmic rays come from supernova explosions and can happen once every 50 years. However, since the construction of the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in the South Pole in 2010, it has recorded supercharged cosmic rays happening as one part of the sky in the southern hemisphere. Cosmic rays are believed to have high-energy radiation, but lose most of their energy with the distance it has to travel before hitting the Earth. While it is indeed creepy to think of possible effects of cosmic rays hitting the Earth each second, scientists assure us that the radiation effects are relatively low, but can be potentially hazardous to astronauts in outer space. Number 3. Unveiling the mysterious void. We perceive the universe to be full of planets, stars, and other galaxies besides our own Milky Way. However, that may not be true, as it has been discovered in 1981 by astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team that a spherical region of space contains very few galaxies compared to the rest of space. By few, that is 60 galaxies in comparison to the 10,000 galaxies found across space. Located near the constellation Bootes, where its name was derived, this mysterious void is estimated to be 700 million light-years away. Measuring 250 million light-years in diameter, it is known as the largest void in the universe. Possibilities and computer models suggest that this could have been resulted from galaxies drawing attraction to each other with gravitational force, but this possibility has been ruled out since it has not been proven that it will need a great amount of time to create such a void. Speculations trying to explain this great void are rising without much evidence. Others consider a possible supernova explosion might have caused it and wiped out all the stars. Another possibility would be proving the existence of a more advanced civilization that could have constructed this huge space with a Dyson sphere, a device that is thought to be capable of harnessing all the energy of an entire galaxy, which may possibly cover them from being seen. The void has caused the curiosity of scientists trying to rule out possible causes to this phenomenon, and many theories are formulated to explain this amazing engineering. Number 2. The mysterious space roar. In 2006, NASA launched a project known as Absolute Radiometer for Cosmology, Astrophysics, and Diffuse Emission, or ARCADE, a balloon-like instrument containing a canister of 7 radiometers to an altitude of 120,000 feet to detect radio signals and heat traces from the stars and galaxies hundreds of light-years away. Any matter is expected to emit any electromagnetic sound waves. This is used to measure objects that cannot be measured by light. However, what the team did not expect was to find a strong electromagnetic sound wave that is 6 times more powerful than anything they have ever recorded. It is described as a strong radio hiss that has not been heard of from anything else. The roar was so loud that it actually defeated the actual purpose of the project, since it masked the faint radio emissions from the distant galaxies. No studies have been able to explain the mysterious roar so far, which makes this one of the creepiest space mysteries. Number 1. 1991 VG, Earth's Mysterious Companion. Discovered on February 10, 1999 by Linear, an automated asteroid hunting telescope in New Mexico, a huge chunk of rock that is estimated to be 50 meters across has been found circling the Sun following the same orbit as that of Earth's, and is called VG 1991. The object's orbit is unlike that of comets and asteroids' eccentric orbits. Its nearly circular orbit around the Sun is calculated to be every 1.09 years, as Gareth Williams of Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge noted. It was first believed to be a spacecraft that had escaped Earth's gravity, but that has been ruled out as its size is too big to be that of a spacecraft, and no known reports of missing spacecrafts have been known before the time of discovery. Another possibility that is considered by scientists is that the chunk may be a piece of the Moon that may have exploded and continued to orbit around the Sun due to its low gravity. However, as of writing, no further explorations yet can check the composition of the matter, which may be helpful in finding its origin. Scientists are hoping to study the rock's spectrum and compare it with the Moon to see if it matches to unveil the mystery of the unidentifiable probe. And that's it for our 5 creepiest space mysteries. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you on the next one.